welcome back to Mojo Handicrafts, and in today's video I will be sharing how to decorate your handmade pottery. How to make it I have already shared in one of my videos, which I will leave the link in the description box, and it says as clay pottery, so you can go to the link and check that video and come back. This is the first pottery I have decorated. This is a freehand pottery, freehand painting. I have used acrylic color blue, as I love the blue pottery, so I have taken this design. Just randomly I made a design and added few colors like yellow, red and gold. And this is the second bowl, which I have taken pink color as my base theme, and it is a very small bowl, and all these potteries will be available on my website. The link will be there in the description box, so you can go there and order for that. Now this is the other plate which I have started, and I will be using this decoupage sheet. From where to get this decoupage sheet, I will be leaving the link in the description box. It is available with one of my sellers, is Craftly, and let's go with it. As this is a decoupage sheet, I have to cut it into strips. Basically the gaps you can see that you have to cut, and then after leaving some gaps in between each strip, you have to stick it on the plate with the help of Mod Podge. So this is what I have started with. After completing first circle, I am sticking the second circle of the decoupage sheet. So this is the design. You can see there is a gap between each strip, each piece of design. So let's complete sticking the whole thing. Once I complete the whole circle, I will be showing you how it is looking. See, this is how it will look. Hope you can see. And once you finish the whole design, apply lots of Mod Podge in it so that it is completely sealed. Now you can see I have also painted the corners of the edges of the plate with blue and some yellow and some sea green color. And this is the first bowl which I showed you. This is the second one, and this is another one. I made it in my clay pottery video. And now this is my favorite one. I have used transfer sheet on this, and the link I will be leaving in the description box. It is from Crafter's Corner, and this is the final finish of my plate with a pista green background. And I'm really happy with all the potteries which I have made. Stay tuned for more videos on pottery and some relief clay work. Till then, take care of yourself, stay safe, and keep crafting. Bye bye.